Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Applying the ratio of the aforesaid decisions and as again reiterated in the judgment of Bijendra Bahadur Singh under bracket Supra, we are clearly of the opinion that on the facts of the present case, the district magistrate had clearly received the notice of the intention to move no confidence motion signed by the requisite number of members on 27/3/2017, for which preparations were made in accordance with the procedure prescribed. Stop. We have also examined the contents of the notice signed and delivered by the members, which also recites the intention to move the no confidence motion. Stop. Thus, the notice is complete and composite in nature and also bears the signatures of the members as per the requirement of law. Stop. The date of delivery of the notice can be clearly gathered as 27/3/2017 from the letter of the district magistrate dated 28/3/2017 extracted herein above. Stop para. The absence of the date of the notice signed by the members therefore does not in any way establish a doubt about the date of the notice as urged by the learned counsel for the petitioners. Stop. To the contrary, there is clinching material on record to indicate that the notices duly signed by the members containing the recital of the intention to move the motion had been delivered to the district magistrate on 27/3/2017, whereafter he also inquired into the allegations of the petitioner on 28/3/2017 itself and then dispatched the notices on 30/3/2017. Stop. The district magistrate has also looked into the objections raised by the petitioner on 28/3/2017. Stop. The objections were clearly with regard to the notice of the intention of no confidence motion that had been received by the district magistrate on 27/3/2017, extracted herein above as disclosed in the letter dated 28/3/2017 dispatched to the learned district judge. Stop. The contention on behalf of the petitioner that on one hand the notice which was delivered contained single signatures, whereas the same notice is stated to contain two signatures of the members who have allegedly signed it. Stop. In this regard, the contention of the learned additional chief standing counsel is clearly to the effect that when the members had appeared before the authority, they were made to countersign once again to ensure that they had in fact moved the motion. Stop. The existence of double signatures therefore does not in any way improve the case of the petitioner. Stop. The increase of two of the signatures at SI number 34 and 35 also does not in any way vitiate the process, inasmuch as if two more members had moved to put their signatures on the said notice and were in existence when the district magistrate satisfied himself about the correctness of the same, then no doubt can be expressed about their intention, more so when none of the members who have signed the notice have come forward before this court to contest the moving of the motion or holding of the meeting on 15/4/2017 and the decision as relied on by the petitioner in the case of Kamla Devi under bracket Supra, therefore would not at all be attracted. Stop para. As per the decisions of the issue of form and contents of the notice, the judgments referred to herein above therefore support the stand taken by the respondents as well as the intervener that there is a substantial compliance of the dispatch of notice as also the contents of the intention of no confidence motion to be brought about for consideration in the meeting to be held on 15/4/2017. Stop. The dispatch of the notices for holding the meeting had to be made through the assistant district election officer, who can be authorized by the district magistrate, as there is no such bar under the 1962 rules. Stop. Any defect as alleged are in relation to the directory conditions and not to the mandatory conditions under the procedure prescribed. Stop. Once the fact that the notices were delivered on 27/3/2017 is established as found herein above, then the holding of the meeting on 15/4/2017 is clearly within 30 days of the date of deliverance of the notices to the district magistrate. Stop. The notice by the district magistrate to convene the meeting has been clearly dispatched on 30/3/2017. Stop. Thank you.